Bond has been set for the newlyweds accused in the death of 20-month-old Dakota Burke, but both remain in jail tonight. Local 15's Christian Jennings was inside the courtroom today as Judge Bob Sherling handed down the decision. Christian?
Kim Summer, Everett and Chrisopher Knapp each have a $170,000 bond to make. That's for both the murder and aggravated child abuse charges. $11,000 of that, however, must be paid in cash. Are you sad about Dakota's death?
Get that out of my face.
No comment.
Chrisopher Knapp's family and friends sat in on today's bond hearing in support of a man they call a loving father.
He has a 4-year-old daughter who loves the ground he walks on. He is a wonderful person. He has no mean soul on him.
Prosecutors describe a much different man, telling Judge Bob Sherling today that Knapp and his new wife, Summer Everett, are both responsible for burns, bruises, and broken bones found all over Dakota Burke's body. Dakota is Everett's daughter and was just 20 months old when she died after suffering a skull fracture and severe head injuries.
The extent of injuries that Dakota suffered is probably the most extensive I've seen in my career. They were horrific.
There were multiple broken bones in various stages of healing, some as old as a month. This child was tortured.
A family member on Everett's side who wishes to remain anonymous tells Local 15 News that Everett was, quote, the best mom until Knapp came into the picture 4 months ago. While she believes he manipulated Everett, she says she wants justice for Dakota and doesn't want either suspect to make bond. Knapp's cousin, Jamie Boykin, feels differently.
Dakota was a fun, loving little girl. I was around her. There was no abuse. I don't care what anybody says.
Lieutenant Paul Birch is an investigator on the case and says the fact that the couple has no criminal history is irrelevant.
His defense attorney made a big deal about his biological daughter. Well, I think that speaks for itself. That was his daughter. You know, he had no emotional attachment to Dakota. I can only tell you what our law enforcement opinion is that this child was an inconvenience to this new couple.
Remember, Dakota's mother married Chrisopher Knapp only 4 days after her daughter's death. The couple will be back in court for a preliminary hearing February 3rd. Live in the newsroom, Christian Jennings, Local 15 News.